very, very happy about getting the light therapy for my problems. I have pain from my daily activities, and things like walking or running or swimming were becoming more and more difficult. But I have a limited range of motion and have become quite stiff and sore in certain areas of my body. But I had a friend of my daughter's, Barbara, had been trying some light therapy, and I took about 6 to 12 weeks of the light therapy sessions were about 20 minutes each. And the light therapy extended the strength of the different levels of the light that was being used. They tested me with probably 6 by 6 units of light at a time, various and sundry levels of what the light was, and it closed up my thin skin, closed up my open wounds, and gave me a great deal more strength in my arms and my legs. And at the moment, I am free of the bleeding openings because of the light therapy treatment. It took me about 6 to 12 light sessions of about 20 minutes each, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone that was suffering, as I was, from bleeding and thin skin and all that kind of stuff.